just coming. I found a cute dog. I'm just playing with it. Don't touch it. Why? It's so cute. Just come. I said no, don't touch it.